Boy, hello viewers and welcome to Emeka Williams Nature World. This channel is a sister channel to Emeka Williams Spiritual Tips. And on this channel, we are teaching on the spiritual benefits and health benefits rather of nature, plants and their uses. So if this is your first time of coming in contact with this face, welcome to my YouTube channel. Like I said in the beginning, here we teach on health benefits of nature, natural things. God bless you as you join us. To all those who are also already subscribers, thank you for being there for me. If you are a new person here, just subscribe to the channel. We are going to be teaching few health benefits of alligator pepper. Now, this video is not going to waste time. I'll just give it to you brief. Alligator pepper is a plant very powerful in both spiritual benefits and health benefits. But this channel is more of health benefits. So I'm going to give us about 3 or 4 health benefits of alligator pepper. The alligator pepper seed is a very good one for menstrual cramp. If you used to have a painful menstruation as a woman, when your menstrual cycle begins and the pain is high, what do you do to stop the pain so that you can also have an easy flow? Just get few seeds of the alligator pepper, like 7 seeds or thereabout. Chew it, as simple as that. After few minutes, you will see the whole pains and the cramps disappear, and it will look as if you are not even having your period, while the period will still flow normal. That is number 1. Another usage of health benefit of alligator pepper is this: it helps you to ease off arthritis. You have arthritis, pains in your joints and all that. Make a tea of alligator pepper and drink, and I can tell you, by the grace of God, within a little period, you will see that the arthritis, you will look for it, you will no longer see it there. Just drink the tea, alligator pepper tea. That's number 2. Number 3 health benefit of the alligator pepper: it helps you, the men, to take care of erectile dysfunction, quick ejaculation. All you need to do is drink a cup of warm tea of alligator pepper every night before going to bed, and it will take care of that erectile dysfunction and quick ejaculation. Now, the 4th health benefit of alligator pepper is it helps you to improve and increase your sexual libido. Your libido is so low, you're not attracted to sex, your partner touches you and you are like, I have been walking since day to yesterday, the trailer fall under the head bridge, this and that, because your libido is low. Now, it is for both men and women. Make a tea of alligator pepper and drink the tea every night before going to bed. And somebody may ask me, how do I make a tea of alligator pepper? Just get as much alligator pepper seeds as you can, grind it to powder, and when you want to make the tea, boil your water as you normally make the normal tea. Take like half spoon or 1/4 of a spoon, put in a glass cup of warm water, stir it together and drink it. Just give yourself some little time, you will see this sexual libido, boom, improve. So this is it so far on the health benefits of alligator pepper that I am bringing to you today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it also to family and friends. If you have some also health benefits of this particular plant that you may want the fans out there to benefit from, write it at the comment section down below. As you do so, may the Lord God bless you. I'll be dropping off here till we meet again in my next video. Remain blessed.